The e-commerce industry has grown significantly in the past few years, but its significant growth has been accompanied by an increasingly rigid regulatory environment. Whilst an e-commerce business can be set up easily in less than an hour, this leads businesses to forget about the legal aspects. If you are thinking of starting an e-commerce business, look no further. Here are the legal issues you must be aware of to ensure that your business will properly comply with the law. Number 1. Incorporating your business. If you plan to run your business on an online platform such as a website, it is important to first set up your company if you know there will be purchasing or selling involved. If you fail to set up your company, the business activity might be considered outright illegal. Registering your company is more formally called incorporating your business, which simply means you're registering your business to be a limited company. Number 2. Terms of use and legal policies. Moving on to the content of your website, by including certain key pages on your site, you can better protect your online business from future legal disputes. Here are the 4 important legal policies to include on your website. A Terms of Use page. Your website should include a Terms of Use page, which is also known as Terms and Conditions. These will entail rules and restrictions that must be followed by customers visiting your website. Having a Terms of Use section is important for e-commerce websites because they serve as a contract between the visiting customer and the business when they are accessing the website. As a business owner, you will be able to assume that the customer has agreed to the terms and conditions listed on your online website. While having this page is not a legal requirement, it will exempt your business from responsibility for damages that your customers suffer after using your products or services. This means that if the customer continues to use your website, purchase your products, and are aware of the terms and conditions, it will be presumed that they have agreed to the limited liabilities. A delivery or shipping policy. If your e-commerce site delivers goods to customers, you should have a delivery or shipping policy. A delivery policy should state all the important information which relates to this shipping process after an online order is placed. This includes details on delivery methods, delivery times, shipping costs, and warranties provided. By having a delivery or shipping policy, you will have taken precautions for any shipping issues that are likely to occur, especially if there are difficult circumstances such as lost packages and damaged products. A returns and refunds policy. If you offer returns or refunds as part of your business model, you should have a return or refund policy that details when and under what circumstances customers are eligible. It should also clearly describe the returns process in detail. Even if you do not offer returns or refunds, you should have a no refund policy to inform your customers that all sales are final. This will help your customer during the decision-making process before they make an order on your website. It also resolves any misunderstandings they might have on returns eligibility. A copyright notice. You have to protect your content from being copyrighted by visiting customers and competitors. You can do this by placing a copyright notice on your website stating that the content is your property, it is protected by copyright and trademark law. This will inform customers that the content on your website belongs to you under the law, and thus cannot be taken or copied without permission. Data privacy and data protection. You must remember that customer information used to place an order passes through different security channels. As such, consumer privacy and data protection are 2 areas of major concern. E-commerce businesses are under a legal obligation to protect consumer privacy and to respect their privacy rights. Online businesses should always have a privacy policy on their website explaining to the customer that their data is being collected and used. You will need to state the purpose behind collecting personal data and where that data is transferred. You will need a cookie policy to notify customers that their cookies are being collected and to specify what personal data is stored. If cookie collection is a requirement to access your online store, that should also be clearly stated. Credit card data. If you accept online payment, any personal data collected through the payment process needs to be protected and secured. As an SME, you are probably less likely to directly collect and process payments yourself. Most SME e-commerce businesses license third-party payment gateways for data collection and payment. As such, e-commerce sites should ensure that they are using reputable payment gateways such as PayPal, so that they are compliant with different local data protection standards. Trademarks. The scope for copyright issues is wide in e-commerce, and therefore, alongside a copyright notice, online businesses should consider registering trademarks for extra protection. A trademark will protect your business content from being used. This is extremely important for maintaining your brand image and to prevent visitors from stealing your content or designs. With a trademark, it becomes illegal for anyone to use your trademark content without authorization, and the trademark owner can seek damages if necessary. Online businesses usually trademark distinctive areas of their business to protect their brand, reputation, and ultimately gain the maximum commercial benefit from their content. Content that e-commerce businesses may want to trademark include pictures, shapes, elements, packaging design, words, phrases, logos, domain names, and unique products. For all the necessary documents needed, visit DocPro.com.